Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you my experience of using Windsor Newton Galleria to paint this painting. I always use the Windsor Newton Professional. I love them, they're absolutely fantastic. I also use Acrylic Venetian Red, which for me is the best red for flesh tones. Just because I couldn't get hold of the Windsor Newton Professional, I decided to use these. So I've got my raw umber, my yellow ochre and my titanium white, and I decided to start this portrait of my friend Geoff, who's an artist. You might recognise him from Sky Portrait Artist of the Year. He's also part of the Contemporary British Portrait Painters Association. Very talented artist and friend of mine. So I painted him, and I wanted to just experiment and try using something outside my comfort zone. I have to say, I'm really pleased. I'm really impressed. I think they're really fantastic paints. They go on really nicely, easy to mix. I'm using some old brushes and things, so I'm not using my normal rosemary brushes. I'm at home at the moment painting because my studio's closed for Christmas. But yeah, they're really good. I will highly recommend them. They just a really nice tone, really good colour, and I think they will be my at-home studio painting from now on. So one tiny little thing, I think you need to use a little bit more paint than you normally would. If you're used to using the Windsor Newton Professional, you probably need to use a little bit more paint when you're using the Galleria. They're not as they don't feel as though there's a stronger tone there, so you do need to add on layers as well. So I've this painting here, there's a number of layers. That's how I work. I build up layers. I'll put a link in the description for the colours that I've used. If you found that useful, then why not subscribe and accompany me on my artistic journey. Take care, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and no matter what you do today, make some art.